I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by turning off the filter and heater. This prevents damage and stress. Next, remove decor you can lift without disturbing substrate and scoop the Betta into a small holding cup with tank water to keep temperature stable. Once done, begin siphoning from the gravel surface into a 1/2 bucket to remove 25–50% of the water. This preserves beneficial bacteria while extracting waste. Make sure your replacement water matches temperature and dechlorinated conditions before proceeding to refill. Now you deep clean the middle steps. Use the siphon vacuum to agitate and lift debris from the substrate while continuing partial draining, because gravel traps uneaten food and waste. Then, gently swish ornaments and plants in the removed tank water to preserve biofilm. Do not use soap, which kills bacteria. Once done, inspect filter media. If clogged, rinse it briefly in the extracted tank water, rather than tap water, to keep nitrifying bacteria alive and maintain biological filtration. Finish by slowly refilling with dechlorinated water matched to tank temperature. Pour over a plate or rock to avoid disturbing substrate. Once the level is restored, wait 15–20 minutes, then restart the heater and filter. This prevents temperature shock and preserves oxygenation. Finally, test ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate so you know the tank is stable. If the fish shows stress or parameters spike, do an immediate partial water swap and test repeatedly until levels read safe. This protects your Betta quickly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.